y'all, welcome back to another video. Now I have received all of my Sephora items and the sale ends tomorrow, so I might as well show y'all what I got today. So if you are interested in seeing what I picked up, then sit back, relax, and let's get into it. To be honest, y'all are probably going to be disappointed. This really isn't a haul at all. I really just picked up things that I needed and things that I have been wanting to try. So it's probably 6 things altogether. So I guess starting with hair, I went ahead and picked up Olaplex number 9, re-upped on it, especially because now I'm really enjoying doing stretch styles, and this serum works as a heat protectant. I absolutely love it. It does wonders for my hair, so why not get it 20% off? And the only other hair item that I picked up was the K18, and I went ahead and I got the gift set. Even though I probably don't need the mini peptide prep shampoo because I have the regular size bottle. Yeah, I have the regular size bottle, but if I could get something for free, I might as well get it for free. That's just kind of how I felt about it, and I'll have it just in case. But this K18 I absolutely love. I didn't even re-up on my Olaplex Zero because I enjoyed this so much. So those are my only 2 hair care products. While I have this bag in front of me, I'll show you the only piece of makeup that I got, and it is the Empowered eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. I guess we can go ahead and unbox it. I haven't opened it. I literally just picked it up today. And the only reason I picked this up is because I want to get back to like looking like a person. I feel like I say that all the time, and I watched quite a few videos on this palette. This is the first eyeshadow palette that I have purchased in a really long time. I just really love the colors. Here, let's do it this way. I just really loved the colors. I think it's perfect for fall. Like, look at that. Can y'all see that? Like, that Victory looks so good. So I don't know, I just felt like this would be fun, so I got it, and I can't wait to play in it like tomorrow. So that was the only makeup that I purchased. Actually, no. This isn't technically makeup, but since the Sephora items were 30% off, I picked up their makeup setting spray. It had 4.5, almost 5 stars, and I just ran out of my milk, and I was like, I don't know if I want to re-up on that right now. We'll see, but we're gonna see how this makeup setting spray from Sephora goes. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? I not like it and have to go buy something else. So I picked that up. And while we're on the Sephora collection, I picked up like this travel bag because I am manifesting more travel in 2023, and instead of always taking like my cosmetic bags, I wanted to have a travel bag that like hangs up and is super convenient. I haven't had one of these since I was selling Mary Kay. Yes, I used to sell Mary Kay. Like, who didn't? But anyways, it's got like pockets, and I can put different things in here. There's a pocket right there, pocket right here, pocket right here. Nice little zipper selection. 2 little zippers right there. I can insert brushes if I need to. Oh, I thought this was a zipper. This is just a flap. We'll see. I like it though. I mean, it was 30% off. Like, I'm going to use it. I just thought it really traveled and unraveled more, but this time, how much did I pay for this? Hanging organizer. This time I will have the items linked in the description box down below. I didn't realize so many of y'all actually checked the description box. My bad. Okay, next for skincare slash body care, y'all know how much I love Youth to the People, so I did pick up the adaptogen deep moisture cream. Y'all know I'm getting back into a skincare routine. Well, you may or may not know that. If you watch my vlogs, then you know that. And so I love Youth to the People, like I just said. And this stuff, because I have dry skin, I think this is going to be a perfect like night cream. Oh, I don't really like the smell, but that's perfectly fine. But y'all, like, she thick. It's a small container, so we're gonna hope that a little bit goes a long way. It says apply day and night, but y'all know I like to use moisturizers with SPF during the day. So really, I just picked this up to be a night cream. Next, I picked up this Fenty Skin Shimmering Whipped Oil Body Cream. I did a review of this on my TikTok if you aren't following me there. Heyknottygirl. And it definitely shimmers. You can't really tell in the container how much it does shimmer. It's really not until you put it on your body that you can see. I'm obsessed with the scent, like obsessed. It is a cookie butter gourmand goodness. Like, it just smells like a really baked good. But baby, there is no shortage of shimmer in this. I think this would be really great in the summer, like if I'm on vacation and I want to give that effect. But I don't really know how much I'm going to use this in the fall and winter, to be completely honest, but I like it. And even though I put it on my skin, I didn't really notice any shimmer or glitter or anything that got on my clothes. So I appreciated that. And it didn't have a hard time washing off. Like, I haven't seen any glitter specks since I used it. So if you like the glitter for the holidays, go ahead and pick this up. I like it. And I wasn't ashy or dry. So it was worth the coins to me. 20% off. And last but not least, y'all, you know I had to pick up a fragrance. You know I had to pick up at least one. And I got the new YSL Libre Le Parfum. And baby, I don't usually do like strong scents. Like, my mother was like, oh girl, that's strong. But this is a wowzer for me. Like, she's real grown, you know what I'm saying? She gives I have arrived type vibes to me. This is a date night, or I'm going out with my girls on a Saturday night. We're going to get drinks somewhere where the lights are low. You're gonna smell me before you see me type vibe. It's just something about this. I didn't even look at the notes, I'm not gonna even lie, but it has like a cinnamon type smell to it. So it definitely, it's like by the fireplace's grandma, but in a good way. Your grandma is only 54 and you are like 21. But anyways, look at that. I ain't even gonna waste a spray. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. But yeah, y'all, that is all that I picked up during the Sephora sale. Like I said, I wasn't trying to do anything too extreme. I didn't really need any hair products. I didn't need much of anything, but I did want to take that chance to like try out some things, get them on a discounted price. And the 2 hair care items that I did get were like restocks. So comment down below and tell me what you tried during the Sephora sale, how you're enjoying it, or if you picked up any of my recommendations. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.